Welcome to my channel by Dr. G.R. In this video class, we see a problem with the plane of rectangular type which is inclined to both vertical plane and horizontal plane at a time. This is the sixth method of position as explained in the concept through my video EG class 22. First, let me read the problem given. A rectangular size plate of side 60 millimeter and another side 30 millimeter is resting on its shorter side on horizontal plane and inclined at 30 degree to vertical plane. Its surface is inclined at 60 degree to horizontal plane. Draw its projections. This is the problem given. Here, as per terms given, the final image cannot be drawn in two figures as it is inclined. Moreover, since it is inclined to both planes at a time, the final image can be completed to both planes only in 6 figures as shown here in this situation. Now, see here the completed drawing with 6 figures drawn in order and indicated for reference to draw only in the given order because that is the possibility. As told earlier, drawing the figure is easier, but understanding each step with the reason why is important. That is why follow the steps. That is, let me explain the step-by-step procedure in detail to understand with the concept for getting the benefit of doing the other problems with your own without referring. As per step 1, the first true shape is to be drawn in the horizontal plane as top view, assuming its surface is parallel to horizontal plane without inclination and perpendicular to vertical plane. Since it is rectangular as per the given problem condition, the shorter side is 30 millimeter is resting on horizontal plane. Hence, this side 30 millimeter should be perpendicular to XY line, that is to vertical plane at a sufficient distance. So, after XY line and this side drawn, draw two parallel lines to XY on 30 millimeter perpendicular line and complete the rectangle with 4 sides as shown in figure 1. This is the true shape and size of the plate through the top view. Now, as per step 2, by projecting perpendicular lines to this figure 1, draw the front view as single line on XY line as shown. This line is marked with front view letters as shown here, and this is the true front view when shorter side is perpendicular to vertical plane and is taken as figure 2. This one is figure 2. This is A, B, C, D. Invisible corners are shown with the letters within bracket, that is D dash and C dash when it is seen as a front view. Next, as per step 3, the figure 2 may be drawn at 60 degree inclined position to the same original length as figure 3 and marked as shown in the 60 degree line. This figure 3 is the front view position, that is 60 degree inclined to horizontal plane. Now, as per step 4, the corresponding top view can be drawn in horizontal plane by projecting the lines below xy from figure 3 as shown here. Project figure 1 through parallel lines to xy. Both projected figure lines meet at 4 points as shown and name them suitable to second top view as shown. This is smaller than the true shape shown in first top view and name this as figure 4. Next, as per step 5, draw a 30-degree inclined line to xy as shown. Since the final image is inclined at 30 degree to vertical plane is given. The final top view is similar as second top view except satisfying the condition of this 30 degree inclined position. Hence it may be redrawn in the inclined line merging the shorter length given in the inclined line, that is A to D2, that is A and D should come in the inclined line, making other lines as shown, that is B2, C2. Name the corners for the final top view as A2, B2, C2, D2 based upon this A1, B1, C1, D1. That is, this is the final top view. Remember, merging the line with the inclined position should only be A1, D1 and then named as A2, B2 as shown without doing mistake. As this is the given condition in the problem, this is once again brought here for remembrance. Now the figure 5, that is the final top view, is over. Now as per step 6, project this figure 5 and also figure 3 so that both these figures joining points give the new front view points. Join the points as shown, that is this figure 5 and figure 3 joining points may be named with the corners seeing the similarity of the letters. For example, here it is A, this should also be A, here it is B, this should also be B. Same time here also it should come in the B line, here also should be in the A line. Then here it is C, here also C, here also the same C line, likewise D and D, here also D line. After confirming A, B, C, D, all the 4 points, then make a difference for final front view as A2 dash, B2 dash, C2 dash, D2 dash. Now all the points are joined and corners are named as listed. This is the figure 6 and is the required final front view as required in the problem. Now the problem is over and now check for the thickness lines which is to be done for all the 6 figures. That is, the main figures are to be marked with dark line and all supporting lines should be thinner and use 2H pencil for thin lines. The extension, projection lines, etc. are all thinner lines. And also as usual, no colors are permitted, and remember here it is only for easy visibility color is used. Now do not forget to subscribe the channel. This is by Dr. G.R. Thank you very much.